Governor Kathy Hochul announced over $64 million of Restore New York Communities Initiative funding for 43 projects across the state to reduce blight and rebuild properties and communities. The Southern Tier will get $6 million to support 5 total projects, 2 of which are in Ithaca and Wayland. The governor's office says the city of Ithaca will receive $1.89 million to demolish 2 vacant properties and build 3 new ones, which includes a new apartment building. Wayland will see over $1.2 million to rebuild properties on Main Street destroyed by a fire in 2022. Owner and developer John Palmer told Big Fox that renovation and some demolition for the stretch of 4 buildings on Main Street is set to begin in about a month. The former Simple Harmony restaurant will be rebuilt into a licensed daycare facility following some demolition. The old Painful Pleasures tattoo studio will be renovated into a new coffee shop. Palmer says they're also working to restore the Main Moon Chinese restaurant for reopening. The upper floors of the 4 buildings will be rebuilt into a total of 6 to 8 residential units. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News, Wayland.